Hey besties, it's Becca. In today's video, we have a very long-awaited, people have been roaring to me about it, and we are trying the Xmondo Toning Foam. Blonde Toning Leave-In Repair Foam. We just freshly bleached our hair. We are really putting it to the test today because we just have the perfect yellow, brassy, brittle, death. Let's get into the video right now. I am so ready to get pumping. Literally pumping. I'm feeling a lot better. I had pneumonia, for like a week and a half, and I was literally on my deathbed. We still filmed because the show must go on, okay? There's no breaks. In my previous video, we tried the Supernova Blonde Toning Shampoo, and we did try this on freshly bleached hair last month. It was amazing. It is the best shampoo I have ever tried for purple shampoo. I have tried a lot, and a lot on the market. It's horrible. Literally makes your hair purple, gray, silver, blonde, white, just a mess. I have a promo code for Xmondo website. It is DieHardBarbie, Barbie with 2 eyes, and you get 15% off your order. 15% is a lot of money off, let me just tell you. Also, before we get into it, K18 sent me a bunch more products. I appreciate it so much because I love K18 repair mask. I think that's how you say it, molecule. I have this in my hair right now, and look at the shine in my hair. Like, amazing. They wanted me to try out their heat protecting spray. So I will be definitely trying this out. It's their Heat Bounce conditioning heat protector, which is really the detox shampoo, which is my favorite. I always talk about this. It's my favorite detox shampoo. It's like a clarifying shampoo, but it's super gentle, and it's the best out there. I just love this stuff. K18, oh my god. Hair oil. We also have the volume spray. This is also new. It's their Air Wash Dry Shampoo Protective Conditioner, which is amazing. Put on your reading glasses. These are for Sachi. I have on my iPad, I'm gonna read you all the ins, the outs, the goods, okay? What's the goods? So it's a leave-in foam styling treatment made for blonde, highlighted, or gray hair. Designed to neutralize brassy yellow tones between salon visits, or if you're like me, a DIYer, and we do our hair at home, this is a great alternative if you are, we tone our hair, let's just say, and toner never really lasts that long. So this is a great method to use without damage and getting that toned brass-free hair. It gives volume, body softness, and style memory. Style memory? Ingredients. These are pigments that counteract yellow. Violet is the opposite yellow on the color wheel. So if you see, it's actually it's a purple foam, okay? Which is very normal for like purple shampoos. You'll see they're purple, or like a lot of things when you're counteracting yellow, it'll be purple. It has oil in it to help combat like your dryness of your hair. It's gonna help hydrate your hair. It's gonna just make your hair less desertness. And as a blonde, hello, we need some hydration. It puts in a bunch of softness in your hair as well, which is really nice because, like I said, as a blonde, bleach is very harsh to the hair. So it's nice to have ingredients and products that will really just work with us. A lot of these products on the market, they're like vicious. They're like, they have a smile on their face and they're selling you their products, but really they're stabbing you in the back. It has a bond booster in it. And majority of the products that I use in my hair, they have bond boosters or a bond agent in it, which is really nice because it really just protects your hair, heals your hair. To shake well before using, apply to damp hair in sections and comb through. So we gotta go wet our hair, and it's good for anyone that has blonde, highlighted, or gray hair who wants to reduce brass. So they do sell these at Sally Beauty, and they do sell it on their website, but like I said, shop on their website, use my code to get the 15% off your order, and you will save lots of money because 15% is actually a lot of money. Also, I got a butterfly on my nose. Do you guys like it? I don't know if it's too big because I have a big nose, you know, and I don't know if it's just too much. Is it too much? I don't know. I like to be bedazzled, you know, like a lot of Americans don't know what an ice cap is, but this is an ice cap. It's really melted, but it's usually like a slush, but it's like a coffee, but it's like a slush. This is essential here, okay? Our donuts, our Tim Hortons. Don't mess with us and our Tim Hortons, okay? That's why Justin Bieber, he had JB Timbits. They were actually kind of awful. It's not gonna lie. I'm gonna go dampen my hair, towel dry. Hot girl summer. Okay, it's over now, but I'll be right back. No holla back, girl. Ain't no holla back. Gwen Stefani. A lot of people say I look like Paris Hilton or Gwen Stefani, and sometimes Brad Mondo or Jeffree Star. Is that true? But like, it could be a vibe. So I got my hairbrush and my hair is wet. I'm gonna brush my hair. I'm very curious about this product, and I'm a little nervous, and it's normal to be nervous, okay? Because it is something I have never seen before. It is something that I have never seen a company come out with before. And I had the honor of putting it on my head. It says on the front of it, rapid tone technology. I'm just gonna put it in my hand, okay? That's the start. And oh gosh, it smells so good. It smells like a garden, but like, oh, it smells like a rose garden. That's what it smells like. It smells like clean garden, flowers, freshness, cleanness. Like my husband would just smell me and be like, does anyone else's husband do that? Because mine does that all the time. If he smells like something nice on me, he's like, it smells so good. And then you just can't get them off of you. You're just like, get off, get. Ah! Okay, we got it. Okay, sections, okay? It said sections. So, this is sections, right? And then it says to brush it through, okay? Brush. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. There's a fruit fly right in front of my face. Trying to get my ice cap. Wow. Okay. Okay. Make sure you get the roots too, because that is usually my problem area, is the roots. So section by section. Brush through. It's very important, I feel, to brush it through. And then we're gonna do a little bit more here. Okay, let's get underneath. Sideburns. And definitely the sectioning is very important because look, you know, we miss all underneath there. I gotta put some more at the rootage here. I'm just gonna do a strip. Just so that I get a good, you know, toning-ish. Basically, put it onto your section and then brush. Wow. This is also vegan, color safe and hairdresser tested approved. Okay, let me go get a hair dryer and we will dry this sucker. I literally had someone judge me on my hair dryer. Is that like a thing? Like, who has the nicest hair dryer? I don't even know what the brand says, but I've had it since I was 13 and I was working in a campground. My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep stopping. Wait, I just thought of something. We're gonna try our heat protector. A lot of my besties got mad at me. Wait, do you have to shake it? I don't know. I don't have time to look. Their bottles are really cute too. They're like pink and they're just very easy for like travel wise. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Wow. Oh. Oh my gosh. There's a little baby spider with its mama. That is the cutest thing. Just look. It hopped away so fast. It was one of those hopping spiders and it's somewhere in my curtain. Having a hot flash. What? Hello? What? My heart is in love and I've never had the heart flutters like this, okay? Besides my husband. Do you guys see this? Oh my goodness. What? This did this? And do you guys know how yellow I'll put a picture right here on how yellow my hair was, okay? Right here. And now I have like white platinum hair. And my hair feels like $1,000,000. I did blow dry my hair and then I did straighten it a little bit in some areas. So you can style your hair however you want when using this product. It's best, I feel, to probably just style it with like a hair dryer or like a hair straightener versus, I mean, you could let it air dry too, but I feel like the best results will come when styling. Okay, guys, Die Hard Barbie for 15% off. Run. This lasts 1 to 2 hair shampoo washes, okay? So if you're using like a clarifying shampoo, it'll come out very fast. If you use a gentler shampoo, it'll last a bit longer, but usually it lasts about 2 to 3 hair washes with shampoo and then it comes right out, which is really convenient because usually in that time frame, we're already like thinking about bleaching our hair and we're wanting to, you know, figure out what our next color is. So this is a great in-between color. And if you don't want to use any toners and you're just strictly like, Becca, my hair is like really damaged. My hair cannot take any more toners or any chemicals that use peroxide. Definitely check out the foam because it doesn't do any damage to your hair. It's a toning mousse, so it's just basically hydrating your hair, giving you a little mini treatment. It's leaving you also with beautiful brass-free hair. This was all done by a mousse. Both of these products, 10 out of 10, Die Hard Barbie approved, and it's literally gonna stay on my shelf now forever because it's just, when you find amazing products, you just can't go away from them. They're always going to be amazing. Subscribe as well, because we are going to be trying the 5-minute top coat in the shade Platinum by Xmondo. I'm so pumped up for this. So subscribe so you can, you know, see what I'm posting and be part of the Bestie Club, because we're all about DIY anything, okay? We can do anything, Bestie, if we just stick together and Bestie teamwork, you know what I mean? Give this video a like if you like these kind of videos and you think I did a good job, and we love Brad Mondo. I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye, guys.